Alright, what's up guys, and welcome to my quick unboxing of the Crucial P1 M.2 SSD. So I think this is considered one of the most popular and one of the best budget options for an M.2. So this costed me, I think, $60 on Amazon for 500 gigs. So this is getting really close to like 2.5-inch pricing, which is, I'd say, $50 for 500 gigs. So pretty basic packaging. And here's the SSD. Some plastic. So yeah, this should fit in most laptops. It's not SATA, so it's actually an NVMe standard. So it'll be a good replacement for most laptops out there. Alright, here it is. No heat spreader on it. And just a black PCB. So yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next video.